Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Destination. Today I am sharing the recipe of Paneer Butter Masala in the restaurant style. Soak around 15 cashews in water for around 30 minutes and blend it into a fine paste. The paste must be very fine. Heat the pan and add 1 spoon butter. Add 1 capsicum diced. Fry it on high flame. Add 1 onion diced. Fry both capsicum and onion on a very high flame until they turn brown. Take this aside in a bowl. Now in the same pan add 1 spoon butter. Add cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. Now add paste of 2 onions. Fry this until the onion paste turns brown. Add 1 cup of tomato puree. This is the puree of around 2 tomatoes. Now fry both the onion and tomato paste until the raw smell evaporates. Now add 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. Add 2 slit green chillies. As you can see, all the water has evaporated and the paste has thickened. At this time, you can add in water to adjust the consistency. Add half spoon turmeric powder. Add 1 spoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. The Kashmiri red chilli powder gives a very good color. Add half spoon cumin powder. Add half spoon coriander powder. Now you can add the blended cashew paste. Cashew paste is the secret ingredient in preparing restaurant-style Paneer Butter Masala. As you can see, after adding the cashew paste, the gravy has turned into a perfect color and consistency. Now you can add the water to adjust the consistency and cook this for around 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt as per the taste. Now this is the right time to add the paneer. This is around 200 grams of paneer. Cut the paneer into cubes. Add all the paneer cubes and give it a gentle mix. Make sure that you won't break the paneer cubes. Try to cover up all the paneer cubes with the gravy. Let the paneer cook for around 2 minutes. And now add the fried capsicum and onions. If you add the fried capsicum and onions in the beginning, they cook and they become soft. To retain their crunchiness, you can add this at the end and mix it gently. Now add half spoon garam masala. As you can see, this is the perfect consistency and perfect color as the restaurant style Paneer Butter Masala. You can try this Paneer Butter Masala with the roti, pulka or chapati. At the end, add around 2 spoons of fresh cream. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves and the Paneer Butter Masala is ready to be served. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.